What's up, y'all? Welcome back to Rome Reviews. I'm Rome, and I just wanted to make a real quick video on how to trick Circle to Search into working on your phone, or not trick, but just get it to work for you on your phone. So jumping right into it. I'm gonna open Google, and you can see I have the Oppo phones up on here. I'm gonna hold the bar at the bottom, and you'll see that blue AI or blue LM will open up on the phone. You're gonna circle what you're interested in, and what you do here is you're going to share, and you're going to go over to Google search image, and what it'll do is it'll search within Google and bring up some results on what you circled. That's the first part. That's for searching the image. Alright guys, so I want to search for a segment on the Apple Find N5 release and just some news around it. And what I typically do is the other piece of it, I hold the button again, circle what I'm interested in, instead of bringing up the sidebar. Circle what I'm interested in, and what I do is I share, and then I do the search image again. But this time what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull that bar up and do summarize text from image, and what it'll do is it'll just pull like a little summary. Now I don't know how much of a summary this is because it seems like it's just as long as the actual article itself, but there is a way to summarize things based on the text that you have circled using Circle to Search. Just wanted to make a really quick video on that, on how to use that. And I want to credit a longtime supporter of the channel. Longtime supporter. I've only been doing this for about 4 or 5 months, but he's been here from the beginning. He's always been kind and always willing to share information. So I'm going to tag his channel in the description and on the video in the pop-up. Okay? All right. Appreciate you guys tuning in, and I will catch you in the next one. Later.